Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. Here is an update on our gym manager, right? And I just posted, we did his 6-month video a couple months ago, and I just got around to posting it because we do one a week. And then he came in just the other day, and he's now at 7.5 or 8 months out. And he's still got literally the most attractive girlfriend that anybody's had in here in a
not fiance yet.
In a decade, and the kid has not yet proposed to her. So I don't know what his problem is. His hair's growing. So here he is before, and then here he is today, and he did this little short video.
Steve.
All right, Steve. So you were, as I told you on the phone, you were the next video to go up, and we shot it like 2.5 months ago. So we'll just add this one to it. So when did we do you?
So we did it on November 9, 2018.
And it is July 23rd.
Yep. So about 8.5 months almost.
Yeah. And so you look
8 months ago.
You look dramatically different than you looked at 2 months ago.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
And so it's coming in good. You run a gym.
Yep.
Bend over one time. And so at some point we're probably going to be doing that.
This part here.
Yeah.
But this is what is transplanted, and you can see the different.
And his girlfriend is literally the best looking nurse I've ever seen. Right?
Yes,
With a ring on her finger.
she's pretty.
Anything you want to tell nurse? I'm trying to do a video here, woman.
I forgot.
No, so far so good. I'm very
I'm going to
pleased.
ask you that again because I saw that because of the one. So is there anything that that you want to tell all these characters that would be looking at this?
No, I mean I'm very pleased with the results so far, and hopefully in about 4 or 5 months after a year, I'll plan on doing the second one.
Okay. All right. Thanks, man.
Yep.
So what do you think, Wendy? Is he going to propose to that chick or not?
He says he has the equipment. That was his words.
Yeah.
So he probably got the ring already.
Well, we'll see. I think he's going to come back around Christmas and maybe we'll do a second case on him. And
Yes,
finish crime.
that's what. Yeah,
We'll
that's
see.
it.
Yeah. But just a little update on a guy that we've worked on before, and I guess the only trouble we had with him is he exercises all the time.
All the stitches.
And he had some trouble with a couple of stitches extruding back here, and then they got infected because he admits that he sweats a lot and he just lays
that's right. He lays
on a
down
sweaty
on the
bench
benches.
all the time. And so I told him to put a towel down. So
Yeah.
for you guys that like to work out after your surgery, I think that's fine. But wipe up somebody else's sweat before you put my scar down on those benches.
Yeah.
If we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.